To stop being fat without exercise, take your body weight in pounds and put a 0 at the end. Then you're going to look at that number and you're going to start eating less calories than that to start losing weight every day. For example, when I weighed 268 pounds, I was eating anywhere between 1,500 to 2,680 calories per day to lose weight. The more often you eat closer to 2,600, the slower your weight loss is going to be. But when you start eating the same type of foods that I ate, you don't even have to count those calories because you're never going to be hungry enough to eat a whole lot. So you're going to lose weight much faster because you're always going to end up eating closer to 1,500 calories. Now, if you're under 200 pounds and or depending on how active you are, you can probably eat more and still lose weight. So if you're 195 pounds, you should be able to lose weight on less than 2,500 instead of the already lower 1,900 calories. Now, it does not matter what you eat as long as you eat the right amount of calories. You're gonna lose weight even if you sit on your ass all day playing video games. And it does not matter when you eat those calories. Intermittent fasting, not eating after 6 p.m., the keto diet, avoiding sugar, Ozempic, and gastric bypass surgery are all just overcomplicated and very expensive ways to make you eat less calories. This scientist lost 27 pounds eating the right amount of Twinkies, Doritos, and Oreos. This guy lost 56 pounds eating 2,000 calories of McDonald's every day. But Twinkies and McDonald's is not going to work for you because anything that tastes good, like processed foods or anything made in America, those foods are more addictive than crack cocaine. They increase your cravings. They're designed to keep you hungry. You're never going to stop eating. I used to be fat and you're fat right now because 11 times out of 10, it's impossible to eat just one chip and stop. So even if you do eat the right amount of Twinkies and McDonald's, it's going to be extremely hard to lose weight while your stomach is literally begging you to keep eating more. People in other parts of the world aren't fat like us because their foods are more natural and aren't as addictive as our American foods. But if you still plan on eating Twinkies and McDonald's to lose weight, then you need to be more committed to counting your calories every single day. Then you need to hope and pray you're strong enough to fight against your own addictions, your own cravings and hunger to make sure you don't eat too much and go over the amount of calories you need to lose weight. And I know everything about you, every dirty little secret. I may not know where you live, but I do know you're too lazy to count your calories every day. So if you want to lose weight as fast as possible, without counting calories, without exercising, while still being able to eat Twinkies and McDonald's or anything else, then you need to eat more pure proteins and more raw vegetables. Pure proteins and raw vegetables fill up your stomach on less calories. Even when you eat less than 500 calories of pure proteins and raw vegetables, it's going to feel like you just ate an extra large pizza all by yourself. Pure proteins and raw vegetables take way too long to digest. So they just sit there for hours, taking up all that space in your stomach, making it harder for you to eat much of anything else. So after you eat your pure proteins and raw veggies, even hours later, it's okay to eat more Twinkies, go out to McDonald's. But no matter how much more you try to eat, pure proteins and raw vegetables only leave enough room in your stomach to eat the right amount of calories for you to keep losing weight. They're basically surgical foods. It's sort of like giving yourself a natural gastric bypass every day. The more pure proteins and raw vegetables you eat, the easier it's going to be for you to automatically eat closer to or less than 1,500 calories without you actually having to count those calories. Pure proteins are high protein foods that don't have a lot of extra added calories from fat, carbs, or sugar. So that means no fatty steaks, no barbecue ribs, no fried foods, no fried chicken, no high fat nuts, and none of those protein candy bars. Don't worry, later on in this video, I will give you a list of the best pure proteins to eat. And yes, your raw vegetables have to be raw. Don't cook them. Don't put whipped cream or ranch dressing on them. Remember, make that small sacrifice of eating your pure proteins and raw vegetables. Then you can try to eat all the chocolate and ice cream you want after that. But it's best to eat raw vegetables like broccoli or carrots because you don't have to eat that much to get full. Now, you want to eat most of your pure proteins and raw vegetables in your first meal, because if we eat them first, now we don't have enough room in our stomach to eat a lot more calories throughout the day. So in that first meal, you're going to keep eating your pure proteins and or raw vegetables until you feel like you ate that extra large pizza all by yourself, or at the very least until it feels like you had 2 to 4 slices of pizza. And usually it's going to take more or less than 250 to 500 calories of pure proteins and or raw vegetables to feel that level of fullness. For you, if you're only going to eat pure proteins, it may take more than 500 calories to get there full. She lost 4 pounds on day 1 because after she ate 89 calories of just raw vegetables, she was only able to eat 1,000 calories that day. But you need to experiment with your own combinations of pure proteins and or raw vegetables to figure out what amount gives you the best results. And after you've eaten your pure proteins and raw vegetables, feel free to keep eating whatever you want, whenever you want. I want you to try to pick out and eat as much as you want. Because remember, pure proteins and raw vegetables take up so much space in your stomach that even if you try to gain weight, you're going to always fail and lose weight because it's extremely hard to eat a lot more calories. And depending on how fast you want to lose weight, don't stop at that first meal. Keep eating more pure proteins and raw vegetables throughout the day. Now, if you're unable to eat a lot of pure proteins and raw vegetables in one meal, then I want you to try to eat at least 250 to 500 calories of pure proteins and all raw vegetables spread out evenly over the 2 or more meals you eat during the day. Here's how I lost 84 pounds. I ate my first meal between 12 to 3 p.m. In that meal, I would eat 10 to 20 ounces of tuna, my pure protein, and 3 to 6 cups of broccoli, my raw vegetable, for a grand total of 400 to 800 calories. Then after that, later on in the day, even after 6 p.m., I never got hungry enough to eat another big meal like a dinner, but I would still always have these massive cravings in the evening. But I couldn't eat a lot of chips, cookies, or go to McDonald's or eat whatever else I could get my hands on, because hours later, I was still somewhat full from all the pure proteins and raw vegetables. And remember earlier when I showed you how I lost weight eating less than 2,600 calories? Well, I never actually counted those calories because no matter how much I tried to eat, the pure proteins and raw vegetables forced me into eating less than 2,600 calories without me actually having to count those calories. I'm guessing a lot of those days I probably ate closer to 1,200 to 2,000 calories without ever getting hungry. Sometimes I had to remind myself just to eat again. And because he was extremely overweight, this guy lost 61 pounds in his first 50 days, over 100 pounds total, doing my pure protein and raw veggie trick. And no, you don't have to eat like this every day. You only need to do my pure protein and raw veggie trick 2 to 4 days per week. Yes, of course, if you do it more often than that, you'll get faster results. But 2 to 4 days per week guarantees the total number of calories that you eat during the week is always low enough to make you lose weight. Under this video, I left you a list of over 300 weight loss foods, which includes the best pure proteins and raw vegetables you can eat. And I'm not saying you have to follow my pure protein and raw veggie plan. Your budget and lifestyle may not allow you to do so. Don't forget, although it may be harder because of the intense cravings, you can still lose weight eating whatever you like as long as you eat the right amount of calories. Like the scientists who lost 27 pounds eating the right amount of Twinkies. Or you can do it this way. You can do the pure protein and raw veggie trick 2 to 4 days per week, and the other days of the week, you can just eat the right amount of Twinkies or anything else you like. You're gonna F this up. I know it. You live in America, the land of great tasting foods. Look, it's impossible to eat the right amount of calories or eat pure proteins and raw vegetables 7 days in a row every week. So yes, you're gonna have bad days where you give in to your cravings and you mess up and eat way too many calories. Don't worry about that. Depending on how overweight you are, you can still lose weight having more bad days than good days. Your results will be slower, but overall, all you need is 12 to 20 good days a month of eating the right amount of calories to get a leaner, more attractive body. You see that box over there? Well, if you click it, I can show you how to get a flat stomach in 36 seconds with a pair of socks. But you gotta stop looking at me and click it.